Welcome back. Today should be a fun day. It's also going to be a day of truth. We're at the dragway, and a lot of people, because of this, has wondered what is under the hood of that gray van. So today's going to be the moment of truth. We're going to run it. We'll just show you exactly what the van's got. Is it really as fast as it looks? Or is it as slow as a three-legged turtle trying to cross the road? We're about to find out. We passed Tech. I figured I would. I reckon I'll probably be the slowest here today. Maybe. It doesn't matter, they're gonna have to wait till I get off the track anyways. There ain't nobody gonna go through me, I'll tell you that. So it's test and tune for everybody. Just basically means you pay track rental and make as many passes as you want. It's all for the funs of it. You know the age-old argument, are men really better drivers than women?
No.
So we made it back home. To wrap up our day, what happened? Van ran good. I didn't do any tuning while I was down there. As you can see, we made multiple passes. I'll show you what it ran. First, if you look down here though, I have a car friend that I've known for 30 years. He was gonna throw these Mickey Thompsons away, these front runners, on the front of drag trucks, so that was nice. And the drag shocks are adjustable, so a couple of them are going to go on the duster here. Anyways, back to the van. Yeah, so it ran pretty consistent. Oh, before I show you these, I did a thread on a Mopar site and people were guessing the ETs. And people guessed as high as 21 seconds. People guessed all over the place. 18 seconds, whatever. I put in, and I have an unfair advantage, I put in, did you put what you put in? Here's a good time to make your guesstimation. I put in 1586. And I'm not a kidding you. I did not cheat. I did not know. This is the best run. And then of course you gotta have, you know, the old girl versus guy. Who's the better driver? So my wife took the pass. But you can see she got a little better mile per hour. So a couple hundredths quicker I was, half a mile per hour faster she was. I don't know. You just can't seem to end that argument, can't you? I have a fleet update. Got some news I'm going to pass along to you now. Thanks for following to the end. This Ram Charger that's been with us about 5 years, I'm guessing. We just did our last video on it. People had asked about it. It's bittersweet. It's sold. It's going back to its homeland. It's going to a guy who's smarter than I am on them. He's going to give it great care. Happy for him. We're going to miss it, but cars come and go. And this one came and we really thoroughly enjoyed it, but it's going. What's interesting to see what else we drag home. Till next time, thanks for watching. I apologize. I tried. I couldn't get the GoPro to work for me. I got to learn how to run it. I couldn't get it to latch up right to the right angle. No matter how I stuck it, it was facing north-south. Just couldn't win with it today. I'll get better.